Hey guys, here's a 52-inch Classic Concepts top mount spinner ceiling fan. This fan is in the polished brass finish and it has 4 cane blades. The thing that makes this thing special is I got it brand new in the box. Show the box right now. Pretty much this thing is a relabeled Moss WF series. Hence the Moss canopy right there. It's based out of Pompano Beach, Florida. It's Classic Concepts right there. There's the fan. On the side of it shows an optional light kit, which it did come with, and I'm using it. Box is in terrible shape. Came with the manual and everything. Now, usually I have a slew of, or not even a slew, a lot of new in the box fans that I just don't do anything with. I have a bad habit of buying new in the box fans and never testing them and just keeping them around. But since this one's box was in terrible shape, I figured, you know what, I might as well install it and make a video. Another day, I will go around and show my new in the box stash that I have, which is quite large. But anyways, I picked this thing up for $3 brand new. It's at a yard sale. How can you say no? It's a vintage fan, brand new for $3. So it's in kind of rough shape. There is some storage rash on it. Not sure you can see that there's a stain right up there where that blade arm attaches. You can see it. Light globe is also kind of scratched up, and so is the canopy, but it was kicking around for a long time. Yeah, this is a pretty good quality fan. I really do like it. The one thing I really noticed about the quality of this thing is the light globe is very thick. It is much more thicker than the cheap frosted glass you get at Home Depot nowadays. This glass is thick and it's, it's strong. They come with the 2 tassel pull chains, which are quite cool. I'm not as crazy about them as some other collectors are, but they are cool. And that should be about it I'll test it out. Start with the light. Light works just fine. That light kit was not attached on the fan when I got it. The switch cap was on it, but I did install the optional light kit. And here's low. It does have a slight hum to it. And also, I'm not sure the date on this fan. I looked everywhere on it and there's no date. If I do find one, I will post that in the description below. It is going very slow on low speed. I'm not sure if that's just how it is, or most likely it's probably because I just got this fan up and running 5 minutes ago and it just needs some break-in time. But it's pushing out a slight breeze, actually, kind of a gust of wind. I think it looks pretty cool with the light on when it's on low speed. Kind of has some nostalgia to it. which is pretty cool. This is my first top mount spinner with the motor housing. I'll put it on medium now. It's gonna start to hum a little bit, but it does have some slight berry noise, but again, I think that's just the breaking in period it needs. And here's the high speed. It does move some serious air on high speed. This is no slouch. I believe it was made in Hong Kong because it has a big, thick spinner motor in it. You can see that mark up there. I think that looks fairly cool. Give you some close-ups of it. Top, here are the tags. You can barely even see them. Not sure if you can make that one out. Yep. There's the box once again. Focus, come on. Anyway, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.